Check out this Ford 2003 Super Duty F-250 XLT Crew Cab Pickup. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: FX4 off-road package, gross vehicle weight, 800 pounds payload package, number 1, order code 607A, trailer tow package, transfer case and fuel tank skid plate package, 4x4 electric shift on the fly, 4 speakers and AM/FM radio. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.